Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the LW-PX700 and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your cutter settings. Now the PX700 has two cutter options. You can choose the full cut, which will cut each label separate from the other, or you can choose the half cut option, which will cut each label separate from the other, but they'll remain connected by the backing. And of course, you have the option to turn the cutter off altogether. Now that we know the different cutter settings, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to change those. Let's start by turning the printer on. The cutter setting can be found in the preferences or the button with the wrench and screwdriver here. So we're going to access it using our blue shift key. So we're going to press and hold the shift key and then hit that settings or preferences button. Now you'll notice the first option here is the auto cut. So go ahead and use your cursor to get up to that option and press return. Now the first option is auto cut. This is that full cutter that we talked about. So if you want that feature on, go ahead and toggle it on. Great. Now the next option is half cut. So here again I can choose whether I want that feature on or off, and for this application I'm going to want it on. Great. Now it brings me back to the main screen of the label, and you can verify the cutter setting right here on the screen. So you'll notice up on the top it's either going to say H cut for half cut, A cut for auto cut, or uncut if the cutter is off altogether. That's how easy it is to change the cutter settings on the LW-PX700. If you have questions on this printer or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.